I'ma go bad, bro. No way. They said they gon' take it from me. Okay, hey. I had to think about it. So.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Caramel Delight back with another video. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hello, welcome. But for everybody who's returning back, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me because it's been so nice. Like honestly, all the views, all the likes, the comments, thank you for supporting me. Now, this video is really special because we're making homemade cornbread, but not just any homemade cornbread, okay? It's gonna be honey butter cornbread, so nothing dry, nothing like fake tasting, like all from scratch. We're gonna make a honey butter sauce that we're gonna add on top, and y'all, it will go perfect with any Thanksgiving meal, or if you're just making a good home cooked meal, cornbread is the way to go. I want to say cornbread is so special to me because it was like always one of those side dishes that I had growing up. Like everybody grew up with cornbread in my family. So before you do anything else, make sure you follow my social medias, like this video, and we will get to it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our plain yellow cornmeal. I put 1.5 cups in here in our big mixing bowl. Next thing you wanna do is add 1 cup of white flour. You can put wheat flour if you'd like. So we just added in our dry ingredients, so we're gonna give that a stir, and then we're gonna add in our wet ingredients. So let's stir up our dry ingredients first. I personally prefer almond milk, but if y'all want the regular milk, go on ahead and use regular milk, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of honey to our mixture, not a lot, just a little bit so the taste is there, because we're gonna add the honey butter sauce on top. Okay, here's the secret little touch, adding a hint of cinnamon. Cinnamon will really give it that kick that people will not expect. We're not gonna do a lot, but just a little bit so it's there and that your cornbread is unique. Cornbread is that it's kind of like making a cake. You can taste the batter and know it's gonna taste good just off how the batter tastes. So I'm gonna try a little bit of our cornbread batter and see what it's working with. And I want to make sure the flavor, the taste, everything is there. That's good. Okay, now we have our cast iron skillet. In the oven. It's gonna be in there for about 18 minutes because I'm gonna take it out a little bit before it's gonna be completely done, since we're gonna add our honey butter sauce on top. The reason I'm adding the honey butter sauce on top before it's done cooking is because I want the sauce to be able to marinate into the bread. Let's start on the sauce. Okay, make sure your fire is on low. We're starting off with 1/2 stick of butter. We're gonna let it melt down a little bit, and then we're gonna add our other ingredients. When it starts browning, you want to add just a little bit of flour so it can get thicker. The flour will thicken your sauce up beautifully. Look how golden our sauce is looking. Now I'm just gonna cover it, and as soon as our 18-minute mark comes up for the cornbread, we're going to add the sauce on top. sure you get the edges. Alright, this is our cornbread. Look how moist it looks, y'all. It is hot and bubbly with our honey butter sauce. That concludes our video on how to make honey butter cornbread. It is so good. I already have my serving ready for as soon as the video is over because I'm about to eat all of this. Hopefully not all because that's so unhealthy. Y'all, it's like the honey and the butter got married because the moistness and the texture, everything in this cornbread is what you want, and it's what will blow your friends and family's minds away when they take a bite and they're like, did you really just make this? Like, yes, you made it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.